Third one, next, construct a triangle ABC in which angle B is 90 degree and AB is 4 centimeter and BC is 3 centimeter. So we have to construct a 90 degree, angle B is 90 degree means we have to construct a right angle triangle. So let us draw the rough sketch of right angle triangle. So name it as A, B, C. What given? Angle B is 90 degree, angle B is 90 degree and AB is 4 centimeter, AB is 4 centimeter and BC is 3 centimeter, BC is 3 centimeter. So let us do construction. First let us take base BC is 3 centimeter. So let us take base BC 3 centimeter. So let us write BC 3 centimeter. Name it as line segment BC 3 centimeter. Next, we had to make an angle of 90 degree. So with the help of compass only, we had to make an angle of 90 degree. Place the compass at B. Take convenient radius. Any radius you can take. Draw semicircle. Draw one semicircle and name this point as X, this point of intersection as X. Name it as X. With same radius, don't change the radius. Draw an arc on semicircle and this point of intersection, name it as Y. This point as Y. Next, this is 60 degree. Next, with same radius, draw one more arc on semicircle and this point of intersection where this arc cuts on the semicircle, no, this point, name it as Z. So we want here how much angle we have to make here, 90 degree, no. So the 90 degree will come between 60 degree and 120 degree. This is 60 degree and it is 120 degree. Between that we will get an angle of 90 degree. So place the compass at point Z, draw an arc, little extend this compass and draw an arc. Any radius, convenient radius you can take. Draw an arc and place the compass at Y and draw one more arc where both arc intersect, no. This point you name it as D. Now join BD. So this where these two arc intersect, no. Now we got the 90 degree. Draw a straight line. Next we want, now we got the 90 degree. Now angle B is 90 degree. Now see here, AB is 4 centimeter. AB is 4 centimeter. Take a compass and take the measure of 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Now this measures 4 centimeter. Place the compass at B and draw an arc on this angle 90 degree. Draw an arc and name it as where this arc intersect on the angle, no, name it as D. See what here, AB, no. So sorry, name it as A. Now AB is 4 centimeter, no. AB is 4 centimeter, right? AB is 4 centimeter. Join AC. Join AC. Now ABC is an required right angle triangle. So let us solve next one. Next, fourth one. Draw a triangle PQR in which QR equals to 4 cm, PQ equals to 3 cm and angle Q equals to 45 degree. First we should draw the rough figure. Draw a rough figure triangle. Let us name it as PQR. Now what is given? QR equals to 4 cm. QR, name it as base. QR is 4 cm and PQ is 3 cm. PQ 3 cm and Q is 45 degree. Angle Q equals to 45 degree. So name it as 45 degree. So let us do construction. So let us take QR equals to 4 centimeter. This base QR is 4 centimeter. QR is 4 centimeter. Right here QR, base QR is 4 centimeter. Next we want next angle 45 degree. We have to construct an angle of 45 degree. With the help of compass we have to construct an angle of 45 degree. Place the compass at point Q. With convenient radius draw the semicircle. Take any radius, convenient radius, draw the semicircle. Next name this point as Z or X and name it as X. Next with same radius, don't change the radius, draw an arc, place the compass at X, draw an arc, and now what we got, first arc is 60 degree. So name it this point as Y. Next place the compass at X, at Y, draw an arc, one more arc, and what we got arc now, it is 120 degree. Name this point as Z. See, we want here 45 degree. 45 degree, to draw an angle of 45 degree we need 90 degree. So 90 degree half is 45. So first we had to draw an angle of 90 degree. So first we had to draw an angle of 90 degree. So 90 degree will be between 60 degree and 120 degree. So place the compass at Z, extend and draw an arc. With convenient radius you can take. Place the compass at Z and draw an arc. Again place with same radius, don't change the radius. Place the compass at Y, draw one more arc. Where these two arcs intersect now, draw a line. Now we got 90 degree, but we don't want the 90 degree. We want here 45 degree. 90 degree half is 45. So better I'll draw the dotted lines because we don't want this 90 degree. No, I'll draw in the dotted line. So this point I'll name it as, this point of intersection I'll name it as A. Okay. Next we want 45 degree. No, the 45 degree will be half of the 90 degree. So place the compass at point A. Little extend the compass. Take convenient radius. Draw an arc. Place the compass at A and draw an arc. And place the compass at X. Draw one more arc. So where these two arcs intersect, draw a straight line. Now we got the angle of 45 degree. Now this angle Q is 45 degree. So 90 degree half is 45 degree. So we got an angle of 45 degree. Angle Q is 45 degree. Next what is given? PQ. Next is PQ or QP is 3 centimeter. Now take the compass. Take the measure of 3 centimeter. So place the compass at point Q and draw an arc on the straight line, this on the angle. Place the compass at Q and draw an arc on the angle 45 degree. So where this arc cuts, join. So name it as P, this point as P. And this how much it measure? 3 centimeter. So right here PQ is 3 centimeter and join PR. Join PR. Now PQR is an required triangle. So let us solve the next one. Next, construct a triangle PQR in which PR is 5.6 centimeter, QR is 3 centimeter and angle R is 50 degree. First let us draw a rough figure. First let us draw a triangle, name it as PQR, where PR is given PR is 5.6 centimeter and QR is 3 centimeter and angle R is 50 degree. So we had to make an angle of 50 degree with the help of protractor. You had to make an angle of 50 degree, not with the compass. So you had to do this sum by yourself, children. Take it as a homework. Try to do by yourself. So this completes worksheet 2, that is SAS triangle construction. So let us continue in the next class, children. Thank you, children.